Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? Today, we're back with another Q&A session to answer our viewers' top questions, this time about Barcelo Maya Riviera. So if you have a trip coming up, this video is for you. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more resort videos. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so for our first question, this is the most common question we usually get about resorts. How is the resort laid out? I saw other Barcelo resorts nearby. Can I visit them? The Barcelo Maya Riviera is part of a larger Barcelo Maya Grand Resort complex, which has 5 additional Barcelo hotels. Barcelo Maya Beach, Maya Caribe, Maya Colonial, Maya Tropical, and Maya Palace. They're all nearby and accessible by shuttle or a long stroll. As a guest of Maya Riviera, you have full access to all of the other hotels. That includes their amenities, pools, bars, lounges, theaters, and restaurants. This offers a ton of opportunity to explore, and you might even need a second vacation to experience everything at Maya Grand Resort. We've personally toured all of these hotels and shared our resort tours on our YouTube channel, so check those out as well. Okay, so for our next question, I'm looking for a completely adults-only vacation. Is Maya Riviera adults-only? Yep, it totally is. In fact, it's often referred to as quote-unquote AO, or adults-only, by guests at Barcelo Maya Grand Resort. One of the benefits of staying here is that guests from the other sister hotels are not permitted at Maya Riviera, ensuring a truly adults-only experience. Okay, next question. How was your room? We had a swim out room and we absolutely loved it. I don't know what they call them, whether you swim out from your room or swim up to it, but regardless of the fact, these rooms are 100% worth it. We enjoyed early morning swims every day and relaxed in our private pool during the afternoons and evenings after a long beach day. The swim out room was also perfect for rainy days because you can hang out under the shelter while still allowing you to lounge, or if you want, you can swim in the rain. Of course, it comes down to budget, but if feasible, upgrading to a swim-out room with a private pool is a fantastic addition to your vacation. Inside our room, it was equipped with all the amenities you'd expect from an all-inclusive hotel, but what stood out to us was its cleanliness, luxurious feel, and the ultra-modern design. We did do a full room tour and posted it on our YouTube channel, so be sure to check that out for a closer look. What are the main perks of upgrading to premium level? As we mentioned in our Barcelo Maya Palace Q&A video, premium level can be worth it for the perks, but it's got to fit it within your budget. The daily access to hydrotherapy at U-Spa makes it almost worth it enough, but here's some other perks you can enjoy. You'll get a personalized check-in and check-out process, exclusive access to premium level lounges all throughout Maya Grand Resort, which has premium drinks, snacks, a small breakfast, and a nice relaxing area to sit. The rooms will be located in more preferred areas of the hotel. You'll get a sparkling wine welcome gift in your room. You'll have free room service. And there's a whole other list of perks and discounts, and you can find that on Barcelo's website. We'll link that down in the description for you. Were the a la carte restaurants good? Yes, we totally enjoyed the a la carte restaurants. The teppanyaki experience at Sapporo was a highlight for us with a fun and interactive atmosphere. The a la carte restaurants overall had a romantic vibe at Maya Riviera, making them perfect for a date night. We also loved the French restaurant and we visited there twice on our vacation because we found it was so good. To ensure a spot at your preferred restaurant, reservations are required, but with some planning ahead, we didn't have any issues getting a table. Is it possible to dine at the a la carte restaurants of the sister hotels? Oh yes, and this is where selection almost becomes a bit overwhelming. So you have 4 a la carte restaurants to choose from at Maya Riviera: Comedia, the French restaurant, Sapporo, the Japanese, Agave, the Mexican, and La Dolce Vita, the Italian restaurant. And because you have access to all the other sister hotels, that opens up 9 other a la cartes. That's a lot of selection. Is there a dress code for the a la carte restaurants? While the a la carte restaurants encourage proper dress, we've never seen anyone turned away. For gentlemen, dinner slacks or nice shorts with a t-shirt, polo, or collared shirt are suitable, Ladies can wear dresses, shorts, pants, and a nice top. However, if you arrive in swimwear or beach clothes, you might be asked to go back and change to more suitable attire. If we can visit all other Barcelo hotels, which beach is best for swimming? We found the beach in front of Maya Riviera and Maya Beach to be the nicest, but they're all connected, so you can walk down and enter the water wherever you like. Also, if you're super keen on wildlife, you can oftentimes spot sea turtles in the water out front of Maya Palace, especially in the mornings. Do we need to bring Mexican pesos for any reason? No, we didn't find bringing pesos was really necessary. They accept and very much appreciate tips in USD. This is probably a good time to mention the service, which at Maya Riviera was exceptional. So we felt very justified in tipping housekeeping, bartenders, and restaurant staff. A few dollars will go a really long way. How's the nightlife at Maya Riviera? Okay, so we've had some great things to say about this hotel, but if there is one drawback to mention, it's the nightlife. It's not like they don't have anything available, it's just that they only really have music in the lobby bar and generally set up like a band or a DJ in the lobby, and that's about it. You do have access to the other Barcelos though, so if you wanted to catch a show at any of the other hotels, you can do that. So take a look at the nightlife schedules at the other hotels and plan out your week. There's even a little shuttle that can take you all the way around the resort, which is super convenient. What about activities during the day? This resort is a bit quiet and has some pool games during the day, but it really focuses on a quieter, more relaxing vibe. Like I said before, you do have access to other Barcelos as well, and they have more activities, so you can always venture over there if you're looking for a bit more energy. How are the pools at Maya Riviera? The pools are really large and very comfortable. There's ample room to swim around, and so it doesn't feel too crowded. Fun fact, the pool is the largest infinity pool in the Caribbean. So when you go for a swim here, you can add that to your vacation achievements. There's even waiters that will come around and provide drink service at the pools, and that brings us to our next question, is there drink service on the beach? This is a really common question we found our viewers asking, and when we visited there wasn't any drink service around the beach. That may have changed now, so if anyone knows any different, feel free to write it down in the comments. Would you recommend Barcelo Maya Riviera? Absolutely, 100%. If you're looking for a top shelf, relaxing, adults-only experience, you'll be very happy at Maya Riviera. Some guests have pointed out that the architecture at the hotel is too minimalist and modern looking for a Caribbean resort, which I understand, but to each their own. We loved it. Honestly, this is the one resort that we actually end up recommending the most to our viewers. Okay, so that brings us to the end of our Q&A session on Barcelo Maya Riviera. We hope this video provided you with some helpful information for your vacation planning. If you do have any other questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. Also, be sure to check out our full tours of these resorts to get a closer look at the buffets, rooms, and the grounds. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.